I'm Amber Bell and this is Real Agriculture, here today at AgSmart in Olds, Alberta, getting the chance to catch up with Christina Jarmix of AdvancedUAV. So welcome, Christina, it's great to see you.
It's great to see you too.
Now, what is AdvancedUAV?
Oh man, what are we not? We are a drone manufacturer here in Calgary, but we also do services. Actually, we're in Olds right now. Calgary's a bit farther away, but we do services for surveying. We also manufacture our own drone, which is behind me. And yeah, we just started out as a passionate group of people who wanted to get into agriculture and help out with some of the issues that we're dealing with right now, especially when it comes with water, spraying, spreading, lifting, and fires.
And you sell drones, so maybe talk a little bit about what drones you guys sell, what you're working on.
Yeah. So the one behind me is the drone we're selling. It is an A70, so it's a 70-liter agricultural drone. And they are really good for both cranberries, blueberries, and crops that need spraying. And we also do spreading as well. So let's say if you have a field and you need seeds down, this bad boy can do it for you. The software and components were all assembled here in Calgary. Software is from us, so it is Canadian, and we are hoping to be one of the first companies in Canada to manufacture a completely Canadian drone.
And how does that differ from some of the other drones that are on the market?
Well, one of the biggest things is the software for us is our own, so it's not from outside of Canada. And our drone is also a bit lighter, which means it's a lot more efficient. And this drone is actually built for Canadian terrain. So we wanted something that's made by Canadian and for Canadians. We're also a service provider, so instead of shipping your drone, if anything happens overseas, you'd call us directly and we can either come out or you can deliver your drone to us in person.
So what does the warranty look like on one of these units?
Yeah, so it's a 1-year parts and service warranty, but that doesn't stop when the year is up. If you have issues or concerns with the drone, we are a lifetime. That means you call us up no matter what, no matter when. And we also come out and teach you guys in person what this drone is, how it is. We worked with farmers before to even train their guys up on professionally being drone certified. That's another service that we do.
And where can growers, farmers go for more information?
They can go to our website at auav.ca or email us at info@auav.ca.
That's great. Well, thank you so much. And that was Christina Jarmix on Real Agriculture.